Okay, I just received from Amazon.com my printer. So I have a thermal printer here, and it's by Gloryang, and it's a pretty great printer. So it came with this manual, its warranties, and a couple of other great things to read about the company and how it works. It came with 2 sets of wires, as you can see. This is my first set of wire. So it came with a C to C, which is this one, which I already have plugged in, a C to C. And then I have a USB to C. So you do have that choice. It's amazing. I'll put that right there. You just press the button for 2 seconds and it immediately starts to light up on you. This wonderful bag, I have so much to say about it. It comes with a wonderful carry handle. It's extremely sturdy. It has a really great zipper on it. On the inside, it has really wonderful straps with Velcro. And so you just put it right in there, and it actually keeps it safe for travel. It has these wonderful pockets on the inside, which incidentally really well fit the paper for travel. So when you are on the road printing, you can store your papers there. It has a separate compartment over here on this side, also with Velcro, and that's to hold your wiring as well. It came in this wonderful box. It was actually packaged very, very well for travel. I have no complaints whatsoever. I received it in great conditions. So a little bit about this printer. This is a thermal printer. Now, I sought out to buy a thermal printer as of 2.5, 3 years ago, but I changed my mind because I was waiting to see one that I actually really, really like and one that would be priced greatly. But what took place was that I just recently came into contact with some information important that led me to have to print a lot of documentations. So I needed a printer that could be delivered to me overnight. This was able to be delivered to me in the next 3 hours. So I purchased this one on the fly. I really wanted the for memo. I might actually, I don't know, give it back and then actually purchase the for memo 3 days from now. But if I do like the printing on this, then I will keep it. I'm not a person that chases brands. I chase quality. So if the quality of printing is as great as I believe that it is, then I will be keeping it. Now, I've saw video tutorials online about this exact printer, and I saw the printing quality, and it's absolutely wonderful. So if that works out, then I will go ahead on and keep this printer because I like that it has everything that I need, and there is good feedback on the printer. Now, what is thermal printing? Thermal printing produces text and images by applying heat to specially coated heat paper that's sensitive to heat printing. That would be this paper right here. So rather than using liquid ink toners where you have to consistently keep buying cartridges with ink, which becomes very costly down the road, you don't have to do this with these kind of printers because they're thermal printers. So there is no ink to purchase ever again. So they are very cost efficient. And in this society that we live in today, I think that's very important. And the greatest thing about it in the whole wide world to me is that it's portable. You can bring it with you wherever you go with this carry case that will definitely keep it safe. Even if, God forbid, it was to slip from your hands and fall on the floor. It's made very well with really good styrofoam inside. And I really appreciate that from this company. They definitely went all out. What else can I say? This printer could be connected to your cell phone. It could be connected to your computer. It could be connected to your laptop. Just about any gadget that you have. Just as long as you actually download the application for it. And that would be the Jaden's printer application. So go to my store and you can actually download it there. And you can start actually printing immediately right afterwards. As soon as I get to that point, I will make another video to show you the printing quality and the procedures, and I'll show you how to load the paper into the printer as well. I am not sure if anyone has made a video loading it with paper, but I will definitely be including that in my second video. Well, this is all for now. I wanted to say one last thing. It's not just a printer that you can carry with you because it's portable. You can actually keep it home stationary on your desk so that you can actually use it from your desk as well. And because of the size, as you can see, it's under 12 inches. And I'll prove that to you in just a second. I have a plastic measuring tape right here. And as you can see, my ruler is actually longer. My ruler stops at 12 inches. So it measures at 10 inches, 10 and 1/5, right? Amazing. So small, easy to carry, pretty light. It feels like it weighs 1.5 pounds at most. Well, this is all for now. I hope this tutorial helps people who actually are thinking of purchasing a printer. My next video will include how to load it up and the quality of printing. This is all for now. Have a great day.